So I've been hearing a lot of news, and a lot of folks are saying that NIO is going down, and it should be something to be considered. And I said, okay, well, in order for me to consider something, I would have to do some technical analysis, right? So I think it would be a lot better if I could do it with you guys, and we do some technical analysis together, and we'll see whether this is something definitely holds true as what I've been hearing and what the hype is about. And if it is true, then yeah, I'm definitely going to buy some for myself. So let's get right into it, right? So I got a couple of indicators on my chart here on Webull desktop app, which will help me determine whether this is a good buy or not. And also I'm going to look at the institutional banking and see whether those guys are big dogs are buying it, or they're selling it, or they're holding it, what they're trying to do with that. So looking at the indicators I have here for moving average. So I'm on a daily chart, so which means that each candle it's presenting one day. When I say moving average for the last 20 days, is basically saying that take the price and average it out for the last 20 days. So it looks like it is going down, which is holds true, right? This is something that I've seen it. You can visually see it, like you can see all these reds, and you can actually sort of see, like from this perspective, that even if you draw a line right here, for example, you could definitely see this joint is going down, right? So there's no rocket science here, right? This is straightforward. Now the question really is whether this is a good buy or not, right? So let's go back to it. So last 50 days holds true. It was steady at one point on November time frame, and then as we got into this new year, everything started crashing, and NIO is no exception. Okay, let's look at the last 200 moving averages, right? So the last 200 moving averages is green line right here. And what I can see from this one is, though, this is not crashing. I think this is definitely not crashing. This is steady, right? Which means that from last 200 days, this thing has not, it is going down. That's the fact. It was up at $45 on 2021 August, and now it's at $24, but moving average is at $38, so which is only a $6 difference, right? Which is not bad. Okay, so MACD, right? Look at MACD, right? MACD, it's at 2.73 going down, and I think it's looking like it's going up again. There was a massive sell here. You can see that here. There's a RSI is down, your resistance support index. But it's definitely going up as well. So, if the RSI goes from 50 to 100, sorry about that, not 50 to 100, 50 to 70, that's something that, indicates that it's a rising, right? So it looks like, okay, RSI and MACDs are fine. This seems like they're climbing up again, but moving averages are down, so this is fine. So let's see what big dogs are doing right now, the institutional banking, right? So the institutional bankings have 278 increased positions with 59 million shares being bought, 301 positions sold. That's 47 million, so you're still looking at a net of 12 million. You have about 64 new positions of 16 million shares being bought by the institutional banking, and they're sold only 5 million, which means that they're not selling it out rapidly, because I feel like they are into it, right? Otherwise, it would have been more sold than bought. And when you look at these institutional banking, these are no small companies. You're looking at Belly, you're looking at BlackRock is a big company. Vanguard Group, you guys know that. That's a lot of 401k stuff. Usually buy this Vanguard stuff. This Vanguard has ETFs as well. So yeah, so I think looking at this and the indicators that I have here, it is definitely something to be considered. I think I might pick up some few stocks on here as well, because I feel like this they were at 15. Wow, they were at $3 in 2020. It's only 2 years ago. Yeah, this is like Tesla, Before you know it, this is gonna go up few $100 if I'm not mistaken, because as we said, right, institutional banking are also buying this. They're holding on to it, so which means this is definitely a strong indicator that this stock is good. So yeah, guys, I mean, this is good news, right? So if you were looking to see if NIO was a good buy, I think it definitely is. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just doing my own technical analysis, and I just wanted you guys to be part of my technical analysis. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like, subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again.